Hey friends, if you wish to enable dark mode in Instagram on PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now let's say that we are on Instagram right now. We do not have a dark mode itself and there is no such option in the settings. I checked it. So here's something that we can do about it. Okay, just change the URL a bit. You need to add the suffix question mark theme is equal to dark. Question mark theme is equal to dark. I'll share it in the description section of the video, and just replace the whole part after the forward slash, like instagram.com forward slash. Just change the whole part and hit enter. Now it will change it into the dark theme. So the thing about it is that people are saying that my theme is already dark. Well, the point is that my system's theme is dark as well. So Instagram is copying my system and browser's theme, but it may be different in your case. So to make sure that the theme for Instagram is dark, you can just add the suffix to any page. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.